Even though she rocks, she is not made of stone. Alone on her throne, your mind she has blown. Like a in the zone, she lives through her phone. A simple female with plans, steady flows her rhyme. Quick and true love never dies. In her eyes strive, and pain seeps through her veins, filling hate with love, searching for nothing up above. Keeping her soul sane, she has let go of pain, remembering not to blame the ones who brought her pain. She knows she's a rock, but carries no carries only a thriving heart of love sitting upon her throne, steady, staying blown.